In today's video, I want to show you how to easily install a mod that will let us create bigger lobbies in Lethal Company. As you might know, Lethal Company has a limit of 4 players per lobby by default. With this mod, we will be able to remove that limit and create lobbies with up to 32 players. Let's begin. First of all, we need to go to this website called Thunderstore. This website is the best one to install mods at the moment. Then go to Communities and choose Lethal Company. Click this BPinX pack. This is a pack that will let us install mods correctly. Choose the manual download and save it wherever you want. Now extract the file we just downloaded and open this folder. Now you will have these files right here. Those are the files we need to move to our Lethal Company folder. To access to your Lethal Company folder, just open Steam. Go to your library and right-click Lethal Company. In my case, I don't have it here, so I will do it with Among Us. Go to Manage and browse local files. This will open the folder where you have the game. In my case, I have the folder right here. It's the same process. Just drag the files into the folder. I did this already, so I won't do it again, but in your case, you would need to drag the files. Now you will need to execute the game once, so BPinX will automatically create some folders needed for the installations of mods. Just open the game, wait for it to load and close it. I won't do it because I did it before recording. After executing it, you will have this plugins folder that will include any mod we install. In my case, I have one already, but yours will be empty. Now, let's begin installing the mod. Go to Thunderstore again and filter it by top rated. You can also search for it manually with the search bar. This is the mod we will be using. It's called More Company and is the most rated mod. It has more than 5 million downloads, and it also includes some cosmetics. Just download it and extract it like you did with BPinX pack. Open the folders. We only need the content inside the plugins folder. This is where the mod is at. Drag the file to your plugins folder, which is inside the Lethal Company folder. And that's it, you can now execute the game. As you can see, this CMD will open, and it says there are 2 mods loaded. In your case, it will say 1 plugin loaded. That means everything went good. Now, once we create a game, we will have this extra option, which is the crew size. You can set any custom size, up to 32 players. And that's it. You can now create your game and play with your friends. I'm pretty sure your friends need to follow the same steps and download the same mod to join your lobby. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like for more. Thanks for watching.